basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible. 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 Impossible.
So what's the sitch?
Call me, beat me if you wanna reach me.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that intro. Let's hop right into this video so I can show you how I turned into Kim Possible. Starting out with this wig, this is what brings the whole look together. I got this wig from wigonly.com and it is a lace front wig in this fiery red orange color, which is perfect for Miss Kim. I am starting out with my hair in these low braids. I didn't want to put my hair all the way in cornrow, so I just did what I could to get my hair super flat, especially because this is for Halloween, so it doesn't need to be super perfect, you know. But yeah, I applied the wig cap, and now I am going to be applying Got2b glue in front of my hairline, not on my hairline, because I still want my edges. So I am just applying a light layer of the Got2b glue on my forehead, and then I am just fanning it a little bit to get it to dry some. This wig was actually super easy to apply. I didn't find that I needed to bleach the knots, and it came with customized baby hairs edges already, and they aren't super dramatic, which I appreciate. But this wig laid down super easy. My main focus, where I primarily wanted the wig to lay, was on my right side right there, because that side of the wig is exposed. I wasn't super concerned about the bang part because the hair would cover it, but I did want to make sure that my right side lay down flat. Now I am applying a scarf over that hairline, and I'm going to leave the scarf on for 10 minutes so that the wig can just adhere to my forehead. So here we are 10 minutes later, and that wig is not going anywhere. What I'm going to do now is just get all these little kinks out of the wig from it being packaged up. So what I'm going to do first is just kind of run the flat iron through the entire wig quickly to get all those bumps and kinks out. I noticed that Kim Possible's hair has quite a bit of volume in it, so what I'm doing is bumping the ends of the hair now, just to get it to be a little bigger. Not too big, but a little more voluminous, if you feel my drift. So I'm smiling because I'm excited, and I'm like, this is about to be so cute. So yeah, the wig is on, and it's doing its job, and now it's time to do the makeup, which is also super simple. So right here I am applying the primer first, and then I am moving on to my eyebrows. So I started out by using my regular brow pencil, which is the Anastasia Wiz Brow in, I want to say, ebony. I started out by using that, but I did find that that color of the pencil wasn't dark enough. It wasn't what I was going for. I wanted dark eyebrows because I want to look more like a cartoon, if that makes sense. So I ended up going in with my eyeliner pencil, which is a jet black, and I went over my eyebrows with that, and I liked the way this came out so much more. It made my eyebrows look way more bolder. It made, yeah, you get what I'm saying. I also concealed my brows, that way I can get my eyebrows to pop even more. So I wanted my eyes to come out looking very dark. So what I did first was apply an eyeliner to my lower lash line, and I also did tight line as well. That was not dark enough for me, so I went in with this eyeliner pomade stuff that I have. Y'all know I don't know nothing about makeup, but it helped. It made my eyes a lot darker. Now for my foundation, I am using two different colors, one dark and one a little bit lighter than that, and I'm blending it in with my silicone beauty blender. I wanted to use my silicone beauty blender because this gives me a super matte outcome, and I wanted my face to come out looking as flat as possible. because I'm trying to look like a cartoon, you know. So after that, I followed up with a regular beauty blender to clean everything up and even everything out. And I was sure to cover my lips with the foundation too, because that is also vital to this look. I am highlighting and contouring just to bring a little brightness and color back to my face. Nothing crazy, just a little light. A little light. I mean, it looks like I'm putting a lot, but you know what I mean. I am also contouring my nose because I want my nose to look a little buttony, because once again, I am going for that cartoon look. Even though this is something that I usually do in my regular routine. Applying some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And then Kim Possible only has one lip. She has a top lip, so that's why I put the foundation on my lips to kind of mute out my lips. I am going over my top lip with this brown lipstick, my favorite brown lipstick, and I am overlining my lips with that lipstick. That top lip wasn't standing out enough for me though, so I did go in and kind of carve it out with some black to make my lips stand out, and it worked. And now I look like Kim Possible, and I love this look, y'all.